Hello friends, so today we are going to review the Atomberg Renesas Plus ceiling fan which I had ordered from Amazon couple of days back, right? So I was actually searching for a new fan for in one of the places in my drawing room, and I was searching in Amazon and I was looking for conventional companies like Crompton and others. So like I have this fan, Crompton fan here, FNSR. This is working quite well for last 4-5 years. It's a good fan. So I chanced upon this particular product, and I read a review. I went to their website and the other details, and I thought why not to give it a chance, because the product looked amazing to me. So I ordered it on Amazon and I received it within a day, right? So this fan comes in two boxes like this. So one is this big box and the small box which holds the blade. So the big box comes with the motor, and it comes with a remote control as well. So the fan can be operated by remote. And I had ordered this particular model which is called Golden Oak Wood, right? So the assembly was also quick and good. So as you can see, the fan is kind of here on my drawing space. Now coming to the review of this fan, right? I am using it for a day. So the fan, if you can see, the motor is here and the blades are golden oak wood and they look beautiful on a white background, right? And the motor is actually, the fan overall is a little smaller than how it looks like in the photos of the website, but that doesn't take away the thunder from this product. Okay, so it is quite easy to assemble. I took help from an electrician. He did it in 10 minutes time. Quite easy to assemble. Now comes to the operating part of it. So this particular fan, right, you can either operate it from the switchboard. Okay, you can switch it off or on, or you can keep the switch off and on, and you can use the remote. So this is the remote. Now the remote has got switches like power, LED, speed up, down, boost, timer, sleep, etc. So each has got their own function. So I am going to power it on. It is switched on from the mains, and I am just powering it on here. Okay, so you can see once I power it on, the fan starts to rotate, and it is in full speed, and the speed is quite good, as you can see, right? This is the full speed. It's quite good. The span of wings is good, and the air is available to a good amount of distance, and using these buttons you can actually control it. So if you want to reduce the speed, you see there the LED indicators show you the speed of the fan. So I am doing a speed minus, further minus, and you can see the speed is reducing, further minus, and it is 2 and it is 1 now. Okay, so 1 is the slowest speed, so you can see that it is increased. There is a button called turbo here. So turbo basically boost, so boost basically helps you to go to the highest speed very quickly. So you can click on boost and you can see that immediately the fan goes into the full speed. So that's about it, friends. There is an LED switch here, so if you click on LED, the lights on the fan comes down. So this is how it is. The lights are not for your reading purpose or illumination purpose. They are just indicators, normal LEDs, blue LEDs. So that's about it. The review of Atomberg Renesas Plus fan with the BLDC motor and remote. It's a futuristic product. It's made in India, and it's from a startup, so I think we should encourage them by buying this product. It's a good product. If you use it, you will understand Comes with a 2 years and 1 year extended warranty inside the box. You have to go to their website to activate it. Thank you friends, have a good day.